My career sucks.
Sex just isn't the same.
What's my purpose?
Where did this fat come from?
Divorce is killing me.
I'll never be happy.
My debt is piling up.
Kids are gone.
Now what?
I'll never find love. Why can't I be like the other guys?
Hey guys, I'm Rick Clemons, the creator and host of 40 Plus Real Men, Real Talk, where we chat, whine, and even sometimes cry about being a guy over 40. You can count on my guests and I getting raw and real and naked with you about guy stuff that you just don't want to talk about, but probably should be, even though it makes you feel as uncomfortable as that first time you popped a boner on the playground. Each kick-ass episode, we're exploring topics like sex, failures, success, parenting, dating, divorce, infidelity, going bald, getting old, our health, changing careers, and much, much more. Every time you tune in, I promise to deliver straight talking, no fluff, man-to-man advice and insights where vulnerability is the way and bullshit just doesn't pay. 40 Plus Real Men, Real Talk. It's a little bitty weekly podcast where guys show up to dump their screwed up fears, make bold moves, and live life without apologies. And guys, I also want you to know you're also invited to join our private Facebook group, 40 Plus Real Men, Real Talk, where the conversations continue.